Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign up for a online banking account on Kearny Bank. Kearny Bank offers a wide selection of banking products including saving accounts, checking accounts, money market accounts, CDs, IRAs, mortgage products and credit cards. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a www.kearnybank.com and press enter. At the official web page of Kearny Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of your screen. You click login. As we are going to get a new enrollment, you need to click on the link given, that is Enroll Now. For the enrollment in the Kearny Bank, you need to provide the following details. Starting from the very first, you go in for selecting your account type by clicking on drop-down menu. Here you can go with any of this account type. Now then you go in for providing your account number. Then you provide your social security number. Now then you go in for providing your PIN, that is enter last 4 digits of your social security number or telephone banking PIN. Now you go in for providing your date of birth. Now you go in for providing your email address. Here you need to confirm your email address by retyping it. After you fill up all the details, you need to click on Begin Enrollment, and with that you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Kearny Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all.